Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. As you know dear students, our lesson Unit 4 matter is going on. So we have to continue it today also. So let's begin our today's lesson. Dear students, in the last lesson, we have learnt about matter, that all the things on the earth are made up of matter. And matter can be defined as each and everything that has weight and it takes up space is called matter. Now we have to learn about kinds of matter. And in today's lesson, you will learn separately about all the three kinds of matter. First of all, you should know and you should learn about that matter comes in three different states or types or kinds. And what are the three states of matter? Number 1, solid. Number 2, liquid. Number 3, gas. Yes, there are three kinds of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now let's learn separately about all the three kinds of matter. Okay, first type, state or kind of matter is called solid. A solid thing is any hard thing you can find around you. As you can see in these pictures, there is wooden logs or book or bricks or ball. When you touch these things, you will feel that these things are very hard to touch. They have specific shape and they cannot change their shape. All the things that have specific shape and their shape cannot be changed, even if we are placing the things on a place for hours or for days or for weeks, they will be in the same shape. They will not at all change their shape. All these things are solid things. They are called to be the solid state of matter. This state is called to be the solid state of matter. Understand? So now we have to read and you have to learn these things. A solid is hard. It does not change its shape. Even if you are leaving it for hours on one place, it will remain in the same shape. Okay, dear students, have you learnt about solid? I am repeating, a solid is hard. It does not change its shape. That's it. You have to learn only these things, that a solid is hard and it does not change its shape. Now let's go and learn about the second state of matter. So dear students, the second state of matter is liquid. As you can see in the pictures, all these things, watery things that have no specific shape of its own, like milk, like juices, like water, like cold drinks, like milkshake, like honey, like tomato ketchup, all these things have no specific oil also, yes, it has no specific shape. So all these things are called liquid things. Okay, these things, for example, if this water is in the glass and you want to pour it in a bottle, now you can see it is in the shape of this glass. When you pour this water into this bottle, what will happen? It will take the shape of the bottle. Or if you will pour the water into the saucepan or any pot, it will take the shape of that pot or that container. So liquid is not at all hard. It can change its shape and it can take the shape of the container we are putting it in. Okay, it can flow. So what you have to learn about the liquid? Three things you have to learn about a liquid. A liquid is not at all hard. It can change or it can take the shape of its container, and liquid can flow. Okay, so liquid is not hard. Liquid can change its shape. It takes the shape of its container we are pouring it, and a liquid can flow. Understand? And what are the examples of liquid? Water, milk, oil, ketchup or honey, and all the things that can flow are liquids. I hope you understand about liquid well. Now, dear students, we will learn about the third kind of matter, and that is gas. As you can see in the picture, this smoke or steam coming out of that steam engine or train, the steam that is coming out of that boiling water, smoke that is coming out of the chimney, air that is filled in this air balloon, all these are the examples of gas. So a gas is not hard. It can change its shape. It has no specific shape of its own. Gas can move from one place to another, from place to place. It can go. It can move easily and freely as it has no shape. As you can see, this smoke is going upwards and steam is also going upwards freely wherever it wants to go. It can go by the air, it can go. Okay, so gas has no shape, it is not at all hard, and it can move from place to place. I hope you understood about all the three kinds of matter.